Makar Sankranti is a fun and delightful occasion. Like many other festivals, the kite flying competition also has a historical and cultural significance attached to it. The following figure shows a kite in which BCD is the shape of quadrant of a circle of radius 42 centimeter. ABCD is a square and triangle CEF is an isosceles right triangle whose equal sides are of 7 centimeter long. Okay, so here BCD is a quadrant, means 1/4 of circle, right? So its area will be also 1/4 of pi r square. Here you have already given quadrant, that means this angle will be of 90 degree. Also you have given that this is isosceles right triangle CEF. So this is also having 90 degree angle and sides are also given 7 centimeter. Here radius of this quadrant is 42 centimeter. So these are the important things which we have to keep in mind. First question, find the area of the square. You have to find area of the square. So as you have given radius of this quadrant and this radius only will be the side of this square. You have given that this kite is in the shape of square only. Look at here, ABCD is a square. So this radius will be length of the square. So length of the square is 42 centimeter. So you have to find the area, that will be 42 square. So it will be 1764 centimeter square. So this is the simplest question, I think, of this case study. Let's move on. Second one. Area of quadrant BCD is. You have to find area of quadrant, means again quadrant means 1/4 of area of circle with radius 42. So what will be the formula? 1/4 pi r square or 90/360 degree of pi r square. So it will give you 1/4 pi r square only. Pi's value is not given, so 22/7 only. And then after simplifying, we are getting 11 into 3 into 42. So it will be 33 into 42 and final answer is 1386. So option C is the correct answer. Yes, option C, 1386 centimeter. Now let's move on to the third part. Find the area of triangle CEF. Now as it is right angle triangle as well as isosceles, so area will be half into base into height because isosceles, so CE and CF will be equal, right? So half into 7 into 7, so 49/2 and final answer will be 24.5. So very easy. You can see that nothing is tricky in this whole case study. Only you should focus on the calculation part. Okay, and if your calculations speed is good, then you can save maximum time in this case study, okay, which you can use for either in MCQ or in assertion reasoning. So let's move on the next. Here option A is the correct answer. Area, next question, area of the shaded portion is. So area of shaded portion includes what? Area of this quadrant plus area of this triangle. So you have to add both the area which you have already found. So what was the area of this BCD? That is 1386. You have already found it, and this is also you have found this area of triangle. So by adding it, we are getting 1410.5 centimeters. So option D is the right answer. 1410 10.5 centimeter, option D. This is the correct answer. Now let's move on the fifth. Area of the unshaded portion is. So to find area of unshaded portion, what you need to do, you should subtract the area of quadrant from area of the square. Now you are having area of square. You have already found it in the first question. You have already found area of quadrant in the next question. So you just need to subtract this both the areas. Okay, this question I am not include in this because we are having area of square 1764 and area of quadrant 1386. So after doing subtraction of this both the areas, we will get the answer 378 centimeter. Okay, you need to subtract the area of quadrant from area of this square. So we are getting subtraction 378 centimeter square. So here this case study is also over. Now let's move on the next case study. That is case study 6. Gayatri have a triangular shaped grass field. At the three corners of the field, a cow, a buffalo, and a horse are tied separately to the pegs by mean of ropes of 3.5 meter each to graze in the field. Okay, so 3.5 will be what? This 3.5 will be the radius for each sector. Okay. Okay, this is the radius, and now as shown in the figure, side of the triangular field are 25 meter, 24 meter and 7 meter respectively. Okay, based on the above information, answer the following question. So this figure you have given here, cow is tied, here it is buffalo, and here a horse, and they all are tied with the rope of 3.5 meter. Okay, so radii will be same for all three sectors. Okay, now let's move on. First question, area of triangular field is. So first you need to find area of triangular field. So as you have given three sides only, so you must have to apply Heron formula. As these three sides are not equal, so it is not equilateral triangle, or as it is not right angle triangle, so only Heron formula is the option. So first we need to find semi perimeter. So semi perimeter will be what? A plus b plus c by 2. First we will assume each side with by a, b and c, and the radius with 3.5 meter. Okay, so semi perimeter will be what? 56 by 2, and answer will be 28 meter. So this is semi perimeter. Now by Heron formula, area of triangle will be root over formula of this Heron, that is s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Apply this all values. Instead of s, you will put the value of semi perimeter, that is 28, and then substitute the value of a, b and c in that. Then you will get the answer here, 28 into 3 into 4 into 21. So here I have not given you the next calculation, because that calculation you can do orally only. Okay, so let's, as you know that we will not do multiplication of this number, you have to factorize it. Okay, and prime factorization should be there. So 28, so it will be 7 into 4 means 7 into 2 into 2. So 7 is coming one time, then 2 is 2 times, and then 3, and for 4 also 2 into 2 again, and 21, 7 into 3. So you can see that 2 times 7 occurs. So from that we will take 1 times 7. Then 2 times 3 is also coming. So we will take 1 3 from that. And 4 is also coming 2 times. So 4 also we will take 1 time. So what we will get, that is 7 into 4 into 3. So 4 3s are 12. 12 into 7 will be 84. So 84 should be the correct answer. So B option is the correct answer, 84 meter square. Now let's move on the second. Area of the region grazed by the cow is. So how much area the cow will graze? That means you need to find area of this sector. Okay, but here you no need to find any area. See here, you have given only formula. Here you have radius 3.5 centimeter and theta is not given, but what will be the theta? That will be angle, measure of angle A only. So find out which formula will be correct. So with angle A, only one formula is going, that is angle A means that is the theta 1 by 360 degree into pi into r square means 3.5 whole square. So this whole option will be automatically cancelled and A is the correct answer. So how simple it is. Area of, next question, area of region grazed by the buffalo and the horse. So you can see that angles are not given. Okay, but then also you need to find area grazed by this both. So what you will do, you will add this both angle. Okay, because if we are taking this one as theta 2, this one as theta 3, then what will be the area of this sector? Theta by 360 into pi into 3.5 whole square, and here theta 3 by 360 degree into pi into 3.5 whole square means 5.5 and 5.6 option will be automatically cancelled. Now from this two option you need to choose one. So we know that all other things are common. So when we will take out 1 by 360 into pi into 3.5 whole square common, we will remaining with angle A plus angle C. No, sorry, angle B plus angle C as buffalo and this horse is given. So C option will also cancel because A is going with cow and we are talking about buffalo and horse. So option D will be the correct answer. Now let's move on the fourth option. Total area grazed by the cow, the buffalo and the horse. So here you want, in the previous question what you have done, you have add only the theta of this both. Then in this question you want to find area grazed by all of these three. So when you have to do only one change in this D, that you need to apply, you need to add angle A in this. So what you will get, angle A plus angle B plus angle C divide by 360 degree into pi into 3.5 whole square, right? Now angle A plus angle B plus angle C will give you 180 degree, right? By angle sum property of triangle. So let's check what will be the answer. That area of this three sector will be 180 by 360 into pi r square. After applying the value and simplifying this, what we will get? 11 into 5 by 10 into 35 by 10. I am not cut this with 5 because I know that in the denominator 2 will remain in both of them, and that 2 will not cut with this. So it will create more problem for us, because then whatever we will multiply, that thing we need to divide it by 4, and it will be time consuming, so I am not cut it. So after multiplication I am getting 1925 by 100. So answer will be 19.25 meter square, right? So option D is the correct answer. 19.25 meter square is the right answer. Now next question is, find the area of the field that cannot be grazed. Means you need to find remaining area of the triangle. How will you find it? That you first need to find the area of the triangle, and from that you need to subtract the area which you have already found, that is 19.25. Now area of triangle also you have already found, that is 84 meter square. From that you need to subtract 19.25 meter square. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 64.75 meter square. Let's check. 64.75 meter square means option B is the correct answer. Okay. So now I think you all find it very easy. Now this case study 7, to find the polluted